Learners, today we will learn about a paragraph, and this paragraph is about my first day at school, and this is for the students of class 7, and actually this is designed for the assignment of the students of class 7 for English first paper. So dear learners, as this is assignment, so I have tried my best to elaborate this assignment so that you can understand everything and you can give all the things about your first day at school. Okay, now you can see here, human life is the collection of some important events. Of those events, some are forgotten, but some others are so important and heart-touching that they cannot be forgotten and remain fresh in the mind. Dear learners, you know, in our life we have to face many events, but we cannot remember all the events. We can forget some events, but there are some events which we cannot forget at all. And like this, my first day at school is an event which we cannot forget. Okay, my first day at school is one of those events which will remain forever in my mind. Now I am in class 7, but I can remember my first day at school very clearly when I was in class 1. The day was difficult but enjoyable for me. This day was difficult but enjoyable for me because in this day or in that day we have to face two types of feeling. Okay, it was January 2012. I was then 6 years old. My age was only 6. One night, my father told me that he would take me to the school the next morning. My father told me this at the last night. Then I'm going to school. I felt both joy and fear. Okay, actually this is the feeling both for joy and fear. That night I could not think of anything else without my school. I was always thinking about the school, the teachers and the students of the school. I could not even sleep at night, and this is right. The next day my mother woke me up early in the morning. She prepared me well. My mother prepared me well. Who? My mother. I started for school with my father, with whom I was going to school with my father in a rickshaw. You can give him another thing, in rickshaw or in microbus or in motorbike or one foot. It took about half an hour. You can give for 20 minutes or another thing. I was charmed to see the buildings of the school because my school was very beautiful. I read the name of the school in the school gate. It was Nurpur Government Primary School. I saw many students in the school campus. Okay, some were playing and some were talking to another students, but I did not know anyone because I was new here and I didn't know anyone. So I got a little nervous. After some time, my father took me to the headmaster's room. Suddenly, my heartbeat became fast. Okay, but the smiling face and gentle urge of the headmaster made me easy. Because my headmaster's face was very smiling and he told me very gently and it made me very easy. He asked me my name and I told him that my name is Rafi Ahmed. Then he pointed to a letter chart and asked me to say some letters. That means he is taking my examination. I could say them well and I was the winner. My mother had taught them all at home. That means my mother taught me the letter at home before going to my school. The headmaster was very pleased. He then called a teacher. That means the headmaster then called a teacher to take me to class The teacher welcomed me and took me to the class. When I entered the class, everyone looked at me with great interest, but they received me warmly because I was the new. And you see, if there is anyone who is new, then he is or she is a new stranger, and everyone looks to him or her very very willingly or very interest or very warmly. Okay, and when I entered the class, everyone looked at me great interest, but they received me warmly. I felt very happy. I could make friends with 2 or 3 students sitting close to me, who were close to me in the left side or right side. A new place is a new experience. Okay, my first day at school was a new experience for me. It was very memorable day in my life. I will remember the day as long as I live. That means I will never forget the memories of my first day at school. So dear learners, as this is for assignment, so I have tried my best to elaborate this, and it has become so large for assignment only. You can make this assignment as your own choice, not like me. Okay, this is for your own choice. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.